Hello everyone, my name is Stella and welcome to vlog. Today's video is a continuation of our latest camping video where we experienced tremendous rain and hailstorm. After a very long night, it is already daylight and it seems that a bright sun is about to rise. This is the condition of the Nipa hut when we arrived last night. This became our shelter when we had trouble due to unexpected bad weather condition. Here is my tent set up on the floor, and as you can see, this place seems to be already abandoned and almost wrecked. We are now cooking our rice for our breakfast while observing our surroundings.
Sa bukawd. Kuno si dupa ka. Tanawi.
Here is how the Nipa hut looks like from the outside. Basically, we are in the middle of a cornfield surrounded by mountains. Let me show you guys how the Nipa hut looks like inside.
Kape.
The rain dropped so hard last night through the roof, meaning the roof material is already very thin and dilapidated, especially the roof of the room where that is already separated. Let us have some coffee while sharing some stories.
Ton pagjaran yamin na.
Coffee is life. Cheers.
Mantok ni man nga tumaray ta nagdumog. Ijigayam ayan na ti ayat ang mantok. Yung tinagdadakpil nga ramot. Tapay imbaddi-baddik mi dagijay di lumabas kami kinirowel ta duwa ka mo imbaddi-baddik mi dagijay tabla nga nakakagil gay.
Tol di amantok.
Dakpil ka nung mi.
Hanin nala.
Ang isugurdit agar arbisan na di ko ah.
Nakan kayo.
Apan pa ijay kapitan ijay ah.
Kutida? Dahito tinaalami di rabi. These are the crabs, river crabs that we got last night. Igatol.
Igat.
And Mr. Sun is already up. And breakfast is now ready. And it's time for lafang. With the leftover adobo from last night. At least, siya nga siya na chi.
Putag.
Nagputag, yung isa tao. Alis na nidlakon. And mga ning nagputag.
Mag-ibutag na iwas ang isa yung...
Ba ito may bagay at or na naputog at nga.
Wow. Chilet, ayaw niya chilet.
Ang tinam, nagkaw kasi...
Mag-amuyoy man surat akchi.
Chef Infa eh.
Minad eh.
This is our food. Breakfast. You see? Adobong chicken. Classic. After the sumptuous breakfast, we decided to go stroll the river banks and see the beauty of the place. As you can see, the water is not clear this time due to the heavy rain last night.
Yaton chacho, etepan nagkasin niya, antoy nantoy kuway hawang na.
Yato, ay anen. What umayah chinchinom.
Sino mo pa, sumangon lahat, laptoy, kantoy. Wat mapapton siya, umayan to po irrigation, yung sinom.
This is the mini dam, but it is no longer maintained.
Sinay, RJ.
Diyan nga to. This is the place that we were aiming to have our camping yesterday. Step na. Ay, pakaw nila.
Irrigation ini.
Lahat pala walo. And this is where we were planning to set up our tent. Anyways, maybe some other times.
No, next man yun ah.
Bagyo man eh.
I have seen a big rock that caught my interest to climb up to. So, come on, let's go there. I have reached the top of this rock and the view is stunning. It gives a peaceful vibes and makes you appreciate the nature. The solitude in this secluded place is priceless. I don't mind being alone for a couple of weeks in places like this, if I could only afford. It is the reason why I always wish to go for camping. Indulging with nature humbles me and makes my heart full and contented.
Tibak-bakan ang matulid din ka tukaran na kayo.
As I look at the beautiful views, it just seems nothing disastrous happened last night. I just can say that was a beautiful disaster. Indeed, there is a sunshine after the storm. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we appreciate so much if you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upcoming videos. If you are enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like icon and leave a message on the comment section.
Pagbaling artista ng studio.
Yun ah.
Lagar po naman.
My cousin Michael here is curiously checking for the bird's nest with eggs. I just wonder how the little birds be able to form their nest in these rocks. Truly, life in the wild is mystical. The way God provides for them and protects them is beyond comprehension.
Oh, there's an egg. It's the egg of birds. There's another one. See if he's X. Oh, nothing.
Kunyari mo. Now it is time to go back to our nipa hut. That was such an unforgettable camping experience. It may not go smoothly as we planned, but the experience is something to cherish. Everything turned something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now. And I hope Metanoia inspires you.